Here's Aiden. Here's Aiden. He's looking at his little dog, his little puppy. You looking at your little puppy? Yes. Yes. Wow. That's really cool, isn't it? That's really cool, isn't it? I'm going to tickle your belly. I'm going to tickle your belly. Are you as ticklish as Mommy? Are you as ticklish as Mommy? Huh? Aiden. Aiden, can you look at Mommy? Can you look at Mommy? Huh? Huh? Can you look at your Mommy? Tickle, 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 tickle. Can you look at your Mommy? Huh? Up? Up? There's that tongue. I wish it was long enough. I wish it was long enough to latch on to your Mommy. Can you look over here, buddy? Can you look over here? Can you look over here? Tickle, 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 tickle. Aiden. Aiden Randall. Quack, quack. The duck wants your attention. The duck wants your attention. Should we do exercises? With your legs? With your legs? Okay, Aiden. Tickle, 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 tickle. Yay! There's Aiden. There's Aiden. Looking in the other direction. Yay! Here's the ducky. Here's the ducky. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Uh-oh. You don't like that? Okay, we won't do that. You don't have to protect your nose. It's okay. I won't do that anymore. I promise. Okay? Ooh, you are mobile today. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a nice, calm baby this morning. You didn't let Mommy sleep very well last night. No, you did not. Mommy slept on the couch for part of the time. Yes, she did. But that's 1 out of 7 nights, so that's pretty good. She'll take it. Let's just not have a repeat tonight. Okay, Aiden? Okay.